The time to start investing your money is now. Like, right now. Whether sending your kids to college or setting up your retirement, investing your money is the smartest way to make your money grow. The U.S. stock market has seen a 9.8% return per year since 1923. If you haven't started investing, you could be missing out on some serious money. But it's not too late. With just $1,000, you can start investing today with minimal fees and a decent dollar value return. Here are 10 ways to put your money to work. 1. Stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. The most traditional way to start investing is to invest in equities, stocks, mutual funds of stocks, or ETFs made up of stocks. Though the stock market is on a steady rise, individual stocks can be risky, and your blue chip investment can go bottom up fast. That's why it is important to look for 1. A diversified portfolio that minimizes risk. 2. Low fees or no fees to open an account. 3. And low expense ratios if possible. 2. Bonds and Treasury securities. Another way to start investing is by investing in debt. Sounds scary, but think of investing in bonds as simply lending money to the government or a corporation in exchange for interest. Treasury bonds are safe in that they are backed by the U.S. government. Corporate bonds pay more interest, but they are more risky because just like stocks, the issuing company can go bankrupt. You can invest in bonds and Treasury securities directly through the U.S. Treasury at Treasury Direct, or by purchasing individual bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs through a brokerage. 3. Invest with a robo-advisor. If by now you're a little confused, try investing with a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is an investment management firm that uses software to automatically allocate your investments between stock and bond ETFs. The result? More automation, less fees, and easier access to your money. 2 popular robo-advisors, Wealthfront and Betterment, offer minimal investments to start and low fees once you get going. 4. Stock options. Stock options are contracts that allow you the ability to buy or sell a stock. You can buy calls, which are options that expect a stock to rise in price, or puts, which expect a stock to fall in price. This can get complicated fast, but can offer large returns on minimal investments. If you're considering investing with stock options, we highly recommend TD Ameritrade to get started. They provide an options platform called Thinkorswim at no additional cost. 5. Real estate. Real estate is a tried and true way to invest, and in recent years, crowd-funded real estate has lowered the bar to entry to just $1,000. Crowd-funded real estate allows you to join other investors to pool your money to invest in a property. We recommend these 2 platforms. Realty Mogul offers a variety of properties to choose from, fee-free investment, and returns in a matter of weeks. Fundrise requires an initial investment of $500, charges a low 0 to 3% in fees, and offers a wide range of properties. 6. Precious metals. Another way to invest your hard-earned money is to buy gold or other precious metals. You can invest in precious metals by buying precious metal ETFs from a brokerage like APMEX, or buying physical metals such as gold coins from the U.S. Mint. Remember, while gold has risen 335% over the last 30 years, the Dow Jones Industrial Average has risen 1,255% over the same time period. 7. Commodities. Commodities are tangible items like oil, corn, cattle, and soybeans that you can invest in through futures. When you invest in commodities, you're counting on supply and demand to drive the price of the commodity higher. You typically purchase a future contract, which sets a price. If the market price is higher than your future contract, you're making money. Cryptocurrencies also fall into the commodity space. You could look at buying Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash. 8. Lending money to others. Another popular way to invest $1,000 is to lend money to others. This can be risky, but there are platforms that allow you to easily spread small loans as little as $25 to minimize your risk. The 2 most popular platforms to lend money to others are Prosper and Lending Club. 9. Certificates of deposit. Certificates of deposits, CDs, are one of the oldest ways to invest. CDs are basically a loan you give to the bank for a set period of time, in exchange for a flat interest rate on the loan. They are very safe, but offer much lower returns than other investment options. The two most common ways to invest in CDs are 1. Through your bank or credit union directly, or through a brokerage that has affiliations with multiple banks and credit unions. 10. Collectibles. A less common way to invest is by investing in collectibles. Collectibles can include anything from art to coins to comic books and more. Almost anything can be a collectible if it's rare and people want it. Always research your collectible of choice and be wary of scams. And remember that gains on collectibles are taxed higher than other investment vehicles. You can buy collectibles online at places like eBay, or go high-end like auction houses like Sotheby's or Christie's. With so many easy ways to invest your money, it's difficult to know where to start. To help you get started, The College Investor offers a free Investing 101 online course. Remember to do your homework, have a clear goal, and know what to expect. Then, invest wisely and watch your money grow. For more information on how to start your investment portfolio, visit us at thecollegeinvestor.com today.